Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort alphabetically in Excel. Whether you are dealing with a list of names, products or any kind of text data, sorting them alphabetically can make your life so much easier. So let's start the video. First, open the Excel spreadsheet that you want to sort. So this is a sample dataset. Next, click and drag to select the range of cells that you want to sort. If you have headers like first name and last name, make sure to include them in your selection, otherwise don't select them. Now click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. To sort your data in alphabetical order, click on the Sort A to Z button in the Sort and Filter group. So click on Sort A to Z. Excel will automatically sort your data from A to Z. If you need to sort the data in the reverse alphabetical order, you can click on the Sort Z to A button instead. So click on it. Now what if we need to sort multiple columns? Make sure to select all the columns you want to sort together. Excel will sort the data based on the first column in your selection by default. As you can see, data has been sorted based on this job title column. Now let's say you want to sort the data by this age column. So select it. Click on Sort Z to A. A pop-up will appear. Excel found data next to your selection. What do you want to do? Select Expand the selection and click on Sort button. Your data will be sorted based on this age column. So that's how to sort in Excel by alphabetical order. Thanks for watching.